Hi there, this is Dina. Today we are making this wall decoration that combines two arts, painting and embroidery. Start by choosing or drawing your model. I chose to do a geometric deer silhouette. I've put the picture of a real deer under a sheet of paper and I delimited the silhouette by putting a dot at each curve or angle. For the antlers, I also used some geometric representations I found on Pinterest as inspiration. I did only one side this way and reproduced it by symmetry to the other side. After that, I joined all the dots with straight or curved lines. For the inner grid, I simply followed the most appearing muscles and shadows on the deer's photo I used. If you want to use my drawing, you can download it for free on my blog. Just follow the link in the description box. After many adjustments and once satisfied with my drawing, I centered and fixed it on my canvas. Then, with a pointy object, I used here a seam ripper, I made holes along all my drawing to transfer it onto my canvas. At this stage, try to make the gaps between the holes fairly regular and make sure to put a hole at the extremity of each angle and at line intersections. Otherwise, you won't have the correct shades while embroidering. There we go, our drawing is now transferred to the canvas, so we can move on to painting. Personally, I wanted a black background with a kind of golden frame behind the deer. So I started by covering up the golden parts with masking tape and I applied 2 coats of black acrylic paint. Then I inverted the hidden part with masking tape and applied 3 coats of golden acrylic paint. After that, I corrected any burrs on the outline with a thin brush to make clean and neat edges. Once everything is dry, I moved on to embroidery. I used the holes as guides and I did all my embroidery with backstitch. So I passed my needle through the back of the canvas, then I put it back from the front through the previous hole, and I repeat that on all my drawing. Help yourself with the holes in the back of the canvas, it's gonna be much easier. For the thread, I used a fairly thick white cotton one that I used in double on most of my drawing and in single thread on the fine parts and the background elements like the facial features and the back antlers. Finally, I applied 2 coats of protective varnish to revive the black color that I found a bit too dull. And that's the result after drying. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and share the video if you liked it and subscribe to the channel for more. See you!